Hello and welcome. It is Crypto Day. It is Saturday, the 24th day of March. Like always, everything within your own risk, own reward. My name is Derek, and Verge on the daily chart, after having a decent green candle up a couple days back, spent yesterday consolidating yesterday's gain, staying above the 18 average of highs as it was support, and today breaking through with a nice set of higher highs and higher lows. Of course, a lot of the altcoins not doing so well, including Verge from before this run, as a lot of them have been in downtrends against Bitcoin. Yeah, there's Koval. I mean, I got a little bit of buying and selling in this range, but it's been going straight down since then. It hasn't shown signs yet of reversing. Some of the smaller alt ones like Gambit, after finding support here, comes up to the 18 average, and it looks like it's breaking down for a little bit further lower of a leg lower. Litecoin against Bitcoin, it's really just hanging in there, grinding down a little bit, but holding on to its December gains and even its February gains relatively well. Whereas Ethereum, well, it's retracing well against the December lows, but it has been in a downtrend decently since, of course, this top. I'm looking to see a 525 handle will actually be that of support, but price action well below the 18 average of lows in a downtrend. And because of such, Litecoin is overperforming Ethereum lately. Ever since breaking past this resistance at around the 27.2 handle, it's been moving continuously higher, and in at 30.7, expecting it to go to 1/3 the price of Ethereum. Let's move on to Bitcoin. And against the US dollar, within the 18 average, the last few days have been playing around the highs, and 3 of the last 4 days price action well above the 18 average of lows, and that's including today's session so far. So the 18 average of lows is barely starting to rise. The 18 average of highs is now still barely starting to decline. It's pretty safe to say that the band has flattened out. Major resistance on the short term at about 91.30, and then the 18 average of lows is in at around the 8200. On the 400-minute time frame, the resistance in here, as we can see, pulled back just a little bit, but to where it came from in here. We're now on its, it's completed 2 sessions, riding the 18 average of highs after 2 green candles up. The current period has 6 hours and 14 minutes left within it. That is 6 times 6, 374. This is just like half hour into the current session right now, so this one doesn't count, but the last 2 do count. I do like how it's holding. When we take a look at this on a 60-minute time frame, the move up on the 1900-hour period yesterday was consolidated where the market corrected through time originally. Markets correct either that of price in the opposite direction or by going in a sideways manner, and in such stuff like the 18 average of band will meet up with it after enough time. There was a small little shakeout. I'm going to be interested to see if this is going to result into a short-term failed breakdown lower that would result in a fast move to the upside. 18 average of highs on this short term is 8,900. So if I start to see in today's session that the price action can get above 89 and even resist to 9,000 relatively quick, which I would think before lunchtime Eastern time, then I would be looking for this to have a decent sized move because of the failed move, fast move pattern that would be showing. Thank you for tuning in and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.